hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make plantain fries in the air fryer. It turned out absolutely delicious. Do check it out if you missed that video. Today I'm going to show you how to make jeera rice in the air fryer. Yes, you heard it right. I love making rice in the instant pot or pressure cooker or on the stove top. But if you don't have an instant pot, if you don't have a pressure cooker, and if you're not sure how to make on the stove top, and if you own an air fryer, this jeera rice recipe is for you. When you go to the Indian restaurant and you look for jeera rice, the aroma is fantastic, right? That's the flavors I'm going to infuse in this rice and make it in the air fryer. If you're wondering if you can make rice in the air fryer, yes. You can absolutely make rice, but with little bit of effort, you can do it. So keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking 1 cup basmati rice. This one is extra long grain. You may use any kind of basmati rice. Look at this beautiful rice. It's commonly used in Indian household and in Indian restaurant. Always make sure to wash the rice really well to remove any dust particles sitting on the rice. Also helps to get rid of any chemicals which might have been used in the milling process. After a couple of rinse, add enough water and soak it for an hour or two. Pre-soaking basmati rice will help preserve the aroma and helps turn out tender and fluffier in the air fryer. I know the soaking can be an extra step for some of you, but if you want to make rice in the air fryer, soak your rice beforehand. It turns out much better and then see the difference. You are going to absolutely love it. After soaking, this is how it looks. The rice expands and helps us with our cooking process. Discard the water and let me show you the difference. Rice without soaking and rice with soaking. To cook in the air fryer, I'm using a stainless steel container. Use any container or loaf pan that fits in your air fryer. Now preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes under 400 degree Fahrenheit. The measurement of water is very important, so use the same cup you use to measure rice. For 1 cup of rice, I'm taking 2 cups of water. Now here's a trick. Boil the water in the water heater or on the stove top. Since the air fryer doesn't boil water, adding boiled water to the rice will help cook the rice thoroughly and tender. In the meantime, let's infuse some flavors to the rice. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil. You may use ghee, butter or any oil. Once the pan is heated, add 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seeds. Add 2 cloves, 1 green cardamom and 1 cinnamon stick. Sometimes we feel bloated after eating rice. Adding whole spice and cumin seeds will help to digest rice faster and we won't feel bloated. I'm also adding 1 bay leaf. Since we add plenty of jeera, it's called jeera rice. Let's add the boiled water to the container. See, usually we cook rice in boiling water, so I'm trying to bring the same concept. Now add the rice into the container and I'm going to infuse the flavors to the rice by adding jeera, cumin, whole spice mix we made earlier. Add 1 teaspoon salt and give it a good mix. Next time I'll show you how to cook jeera rice in the instant pot. Of course, the instant pot cooks much faster than the air fryer. Now it's time to air fry. Carefully place the container inside the basket. I'm going to air fry without covering. In the oven, I have seen people use an aluminum foil to cover and cook the rice, so some use the same concept for the air fryer as well, but I'm not covering. Set the temperature to 365 degree Fahrenheit or 370 degree Fahrenheit according to your air fryer, and I'm going to set the time for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's see. Wow, look at this. It's still in the process of cooking. Looking beautiful. Gently mix using a fork. I like rice to be soft and tender, so I'm going to air fry for another 10 minutes. Now let's see how it turned out. Very nice. At this point the top might look over fried. Don't worry. Just drizzle a bit of water and let it rest in the air fryer for 10 more minutes, just in the heat. After resting period, look how gorgeous this rice turned out. It's lovely, soft, fluffy, tender, and you can see each grain clearly. Super excited for this jeera rice. Check to see if the rice is cooked well. I'm not finished yet. I'm adding roasted cashews and chopped coriander leaves to kick in some more flavor. Wow, so happy, and this jeera rice looks fabulous and my kitchen is filled with aroma. Serve it hot along with your favorite curry or dal. Do try to infuse these flavors whenever you make rice. You can store the leftovers in the fridge for later use. I'm so pleased and surprised at the same time that jeera rice turned out so good in the air fryer. Yum! I bring in plenty of air fryer and instant pot recipes, easy healthy recipes, and how to utilize more vegetables in a fun, healthy way. That's what my channel is all about. Please support my channel, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that this recipe can reach many others who are looking to make fun, easy, healthy recipes in the air fryer. And stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.